Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Zombies on guitar. First, let's gather our equipment. You'll definitely need an electric guitar and a good amplifier. A distortion pedal is essential to capture that signature gritty sound, and a delay pedal can add atmospheric depth. Tune your guitar to standard tuning, or try drop D if you're tackling heavier, lower-pitched tracks. Prepare your setup for an immersive musical journey, ensuring everything is plugged in and ready to go. To truly play the Zombies soundtrack, we need to identify the core musical themes. Tracks such as Lullaby for a Dead Man often feature haunting, arpeggiated melodies, usually played at a slower tempo. 115 is well known for its driving, heavy riff, often incorporating power chords and a faster rhythm. Focus on isolating these main guitar parts. Many themes are built on minor keys, conveying a sense of dread and suspense. Active listening will reveal these foundational elements. Recreating the Zombies sound involves specific guitar techniques and effects. A high-gain distortion pedal is crucial for that heavy, industrial tone. Combine it with palm muting for percussive, chugging rhythms. For those sustained, unsettling notes, tremolo picking at a quick pace can dramatically build tension. Consider adding a delay or reverb pedal to create vast, eerie soundscapes. Experiment with a wah or phaser to inject unique, almost alien textures into your playing, truly capturing the game's atmosphere. To master these tracks, consistent practice is key. Begin by learning each riff and melody at a slow tempo, ensuring every note is clear and accurate. Gradually increase your speed using a metronome, aiming for precise timing. Playing along with the original Call of Duty Zombies music can significantly improve your feel and dynamics, helping you integrate seamlessly. Remember, expressing the eerie and intense mood of the game through your guitar is the ultimate goal, so focus on conveying that atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.